Like the overalls, huh?
The overalls?
I got the fresh motoralls, man.
You got the motoralls.
I couldn't wait for the brown ones. They're sold out everywhere until wherever. So
You look like you're on your way to work, bud.
we are
On your way to work this brand new Maiden Voyage. First, your local senders bike build. And of course, we got the MVPs here, Works Industry. So you're gonna get her dirty.
Yeah, the only way to christen it's the day after the rain. So you guys ready to rip?
Ready to rip?
I've been waiting to rip.
Been waiting to
I
rip.
feel like the butterflies was like the first ride of the year.
You got the jitters.
Oh yeah, definitely.
I'm like
The
nervous.
two-stroke jitters. Well,
to drive it.
it's gonna be a successful day.
New helmet and all.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yes. Oh,
Jeez, Bob.
the new freshie. And Santa Claus must have came to see you this
Oh
winter.
yeah, Santa Claus. You
Oh,
want
that-
to say hi?
That only weighs nothing.
That was the biggest thing. Like when
Hold
it
on,
showed
hold on.
up, the box and everything.
Freshies all around. All right, well, let's get it.
Let's do it.
1 week later.
Oh, you got me. You got me with my pants down.
Got you again. So what's this? Take two?
Yeah, so we
Or
came out here like a week ago. And you know, the only thing I didn't change on it was the rear master. And
And it failed.
it apparently was really mad at me, so it crapped out.
Yeah, she
So
failed.
this is technically the first run / third actual run.
Minus like a quick run.
Yeah, I did 2 runs on it just for a shakedown. And she's working great, so
So hopefully we make it around the trail.
we're gonna be doing a big loop today, so
Sweet.
can't wait. Pretty pumped. It works good. I'm happy with it.
All right.
Yeah.
I'll take your word for it.
Yeah.
We'll check back at the end
This
of the ride.
says it all.
We'll check back
I
at
like
the end.
it.
Of
This hill doesn't look as bad as what I I know, careful.
Jeez. Yeah, we came up here, we cut all this, we signed it. We cut all these trees down. Fun on
I'd rather go down it than up it.
It's really fun in the RZR. It's better without ice.
Yeah.
We don't like this hill when it's got ice.
Flashback. End of flashback.
Feels good so far.
It got you up in one piece.
Yeah, I'm gonna go try again. I want to see if I can get up on that bank.
Up on the left there. That was only kind of sketchy. I don't know if you guys can tell, but that's like a 4-foot ledge right there. It does not look like it on the camera. Not to mention we're on a steep incline. Steep incline here. Almost.
Struggling.
A little bit. It's like you're on a steep hill or something.
here comes Cody. He's gonna go do the infamous hill there. It's gonna be a good chance to hear that fresh exhaust. There's a fresh E2023 RZR S 1000. Clean unit. We were looking at over there earlier. Beauty. Dave and Jess, what up? Actually, I should probably move my bike because I think Cody's gonna run into it. Here he comes. Ew! Yes, sir. Sounds mean with that exhaust, boy.
It does, doesn't it? It feels like it has more power.
A little bit throatier.
I think so.
Jay's gonna come. Here we go! Yeah! Beauty machines right here. So these are the 2023 versions of what me and Cody have. But just quickly looking over it, there's a huge difference between the older Gen S's and the new ones. Beauty rig. Do a wheelie.
What?
Do a wheelie. Yeah! He's the old.
I know. I lost my foot.
Dusty, 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 dusty. It's so dusty.
It is.
Are you guys deaf yet?
What?
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 Settle down. You're here showing off, man. Yeah, you could, that's it. So you put the pit vipers on, that's it.
That's it, man.
Oh, dang. Oh, dang.
Boosted.
Golly. Smoking.
Yeah, I love it.
How do you like it?
I love it.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Just got through this nasty little section here. This is nasty. Yes sir, boys are getting it done. She is a soup sandwich in here, but phew! I'm coming, Martin. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Martin.
I got it from now.
Okay. Whew. We're gonna go back and see if we can find Cody and them. Welcome to the game of whose line is it anyway? Pick which way you want to go. Do you want to go the easy way, the hard way? But we don't know which way either of them end, so they're probably both. Give her.
I'm gonna choose the hard way.
All right. Whatever way you want. Yo, we're playing a game. It's called Whose Line Is It Anyway? But we don't really know what either way go. Which way is Cody going? No, you're on that log on your A-arm. Oh, you stuck, baby boy?
I think I'm stuck.
Put it in drive, tug of war.
Pulling him through.
Yeah, we're actually, this situation is backwards.
The old 900.
Cody's actually not stuck, and we're gonna be dragging him through it. You're not running. Yeah. Hold up! Back up! Okay, hold up.
What do you want to do?
We'll probably... No, you're up against...
a big rock on the back. What do you want to do? Pull the front over? You pick that up on the tree a little bit, maybe? Like the slack?
Down, yeah, near the basement.
Sawing trees, we got coming along the goings. Sorry. I picked this trail. I thought it was easy.
Yeah.
It said easy on
Yeah.
the sign.
Moderate.
The sign-
Moderate.
The sign said easy.
I ate
It said
shit.
double. It said double green.
Look what you did, Sam.
Yeah.
Yeah, go. So we just got to the road. About to head back to the Myra by Miller Meadow. We get a couple razors stuck. Typical razors, jeez. Now we're heading back. We get the wench out, cutting trees. Should be out of here in a minute.
Yeah, you're good. Fucking lads you hauled over there, right there.
Enough room now? Alright. You're good, it's hard there.
I think he hit something hanging off the front or something.
Yeah, you're good.
What a beautiful little machine, man.
Yeah.
I actually really like how small it is.
Yeah. Stay, driver. Hold up. All right.
A few minutes later.
This one, it's a pretty malleable one.
I've lost my nut for my front sprocket, so we're trying to find that right now. I don't know, it seemed like it was closer to the bridge when it let go, but it just kind of like went into a neutral. I don't know, maybe it was up here. Like it was just chilling and then it just like revved out like a neutral almost. Yeah. Thing is, we'd have to find at least one of the washers and one of the C-clips.
One eternity later.
Well, we made her back pretty much in one piece. Minor setback. We had the nut come off, so isn't too big. We actually fixed it with a tie wrap and a keychain ring, so got us back to the trucks. That's all that matters. But first breakdown of the rig, so everybody's back, loading up. I'm gonna go grab some grub. We made it. Packing up. I just let them know what happened.
Okay.
So yeah. Anyway, that's it for the first official YZ rip, I guess. We're filming Cody, even though it's successful. Ooh, she's dirty.
You gotta rep it.
Rep it, yeah. That's it. Like, subscribe. Peace out.
Peace out.
Watch me.